Hello everyone, welcome to Study Wala channel. Today discuss about some questions of electric potential. Now, take one question. 4 point charges, each is plus q charged, is placed on the circumference of a circle with diameter 2d is in such a way that they form a square. The potential at the center. They form square like this. For the square also, there is common center, that is the center of this circle also. They said that the diameter is equals to 2d, then radius is equals to d by 2, then 2d by 2 is equals to d. Then I taken as radius as d. Now v at center is equals to v1 plus v2 plus v3 plus v4. V potential which acting from this q and this q and this q and this q, v1 v2 v3 v4. We know that kq by capital R is in q by capital R, kq by capital R, kq by capital R. Here charges are same and R is n. We can take R as d. Common, take common, and here 4 will come. Then 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4q by d. It is the answer. Now, let us see another question. The question is the work done for bringing an 20 coulomb charge from A to B from distance 0.2 meter. The work is given as 2 joules and find out the delta V. You know that delta V is equals to work done by unit test charge. They given as distance, work and charge. Now we need to want work and unit test charge. They given as work as 2 and charge as 20. Here joule, here coulomb. Cancel means 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means nothing but 0.1 joule per coulomb or volt. Joule per coulomb or volt. Now, another question we need to see. Electrostatic potential energy between proton and an electron separated by an distance 1 angstrom is. Now the formula is electrostatic potential energy is equal to kq1 q2 by r. This given as r1 angstrom, and we know that charge of proton, charge of electron. K is 9 into 10 power 9 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into the charge of electron also 1.6 into 10 power 19 divided by 1 into 10 power minus 10 meters. That's 10 power minus 10 taking above, the value will get 9 into 10 power 19 into 1.6 to 1.6 into 10 power minus 30 minus 38, 10 power minus 38. Now we know that the value electrostatic potential energy we need to find now. Yes, now we know that the let us take it from this 9 into 116, how much? 69 is 144 means 14.4 into 1.6 into, from this we will get 10 power minus 19. Okay, now is equals to volts. Here we take as 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 as electric charge E. 114.4 electric volts. The answer is. Now let us see the fourth question that they given as a regular hexagon of side A charge charge Q at each vertex, then find out the potential. Hexagon. This is an hexagon, and at each point or each vertex there is Q, charge Q. Now they are asking that V at center. This take as it is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth point. From this the potential is V1. From this it is potential is V2. From this the potential is V3. From this the potential is V4. From this the potential is V5. From this the potential is V6. Now V1 is equals to KQ by R plus V2 is equals to KQ by R. All are coming as KQ by R. We will take common KQ by R. Then here the value is 6. Then answer is 6 KQ by K smaller. Okay, bye. Thanks for viewing this video. Please subscribe and like to this video.